nice. I like this outfit very much. I have a very soft spot for a white, crisp white shirt. And I know a lot of you do. You agree with me. There's nothing better. A stand-up collar, nice cuffs, and just a crisp fabric. So this is this amazing shirt that we carry from C'est Moi. And it comes in two sizes. This is small, medium, and it comes in large, extra large. It's a little oversized to me, but I like it. I think this is a very, very chic, funky look. The back, I have to show you the back because it's quite special. It's got a little pleat here, and it's a little longer in the back. So it's quite oversized, but that's a good look. I'm wearing it with the jazz pants, taffeta jazz pants, and of course my trusted leggings with the hard mesh cuff. And comfortable shoes because this is Christmas Day, so we're having brunch and I'm comfortable and I'm feeling the vibe. I'm going to show you a top that I will put on later on over the shirt when I'm a little chilled and I'm sitting down in the afternoon quietly reading my book and having a glass of wine because I want to get away from everybody for a while. Anyway, then the turkey is cooking in the oven and then we're gonna have our dinner. So the other thing I wanted to point out to you are the earrings. I love these earrings. They're from Siska. They're very, very funky, black and white. And this beautiful ring from Joanna, I love it. So this is my outfit for Christmas Day. I am so excited about two new beauty products that I've discovered. First of all, I will tell you that we went to Cheekbone and they invited us to their home, their office and their workplace, and they made us over. And there's a video showing Tessa and I being made over and beautified. It was an amazing visit. What a lovely women. We met most of the staff and I was made up and felt really good because I'm always kind of worried when I'm in a situation where I have had to be made up, like fashion shows and stuff like that, because it's too much and I don't wear too much makeup. But this was so nice and it felt so natural. And this was one of the products they used on me. And it is called the Illuminating Primer Stick. And it is like very, very fluidy, like it's moist to put on. The makeup artist Zoe put it all over, like here, here, here. Then she blended it with a wet beauty blender or a sponge. And it was like, it was illuminated. It was lovely. It's like there's little speckles of shine all over. And I find with an older skin, you need to be dewy. Dewy is the word, and not dried out. So this is my go-to now. I bought one and I've used it every day and I absolutely love it. It will go with me everywhere. So it's on your moisturizer and then you put this over top of your moisturizer. And always mist your face, she taught us, before you put on any cream or any concealer or anything like that, because then it will absorb and stay on nicely. The other thing I'm very excited about, I went to my girl at the Shoppers Drug Mart, and these girls know a lot at the beauty product department. Anyway, this is brand, it's called Vasanti, and I've bought quite a few of their products. It's Canadian made, which I love, try to support. Canadian made, and I've started to get these baggy circles under my eyes, and they're bluish, white bluish, not very attractive. And I tried a few products, nothing really worked. So my lovely girl at Shopper said, we have a new product from Vasanti. Actually, it's right away their bestseller, and it is called Color Correcting Concealer, and it is orange. I'll show you. So don't be afraid. She told me it's orange, don't be afraid. So you put it on your clean skin and you put on a dot, dot, dot. Then you get your wet sponge and you blend it in. And then over top of that, you put like a very light concealer or your foundation. because it does show orange, but it's amazing. I'm going to tell all my girlfriends about it, and now I'm telling all you, my girlfriends, about it. So we'll do a close-up of this, and then you will know what it looks like. And anyway, my excitement is, I think, a little catchy, because some of my girlfriends have already gone out and bought it. I am going to show you another look with this lovely Lousje and Tessa top that I have myself, and I wear it quite often with a white shirt peeking out, so that's why I wanted to share it with you. So I put on the high-low cotton tee from Lousje and Tessa, and with the shirt underneath. I'm sure you agree it's a great look, and it's for a little extra layer when you want to cozy up for a bit. And this is the cherry, and this is the silver. So we have it in the two different colors. It's I love the design. It's got the exposed raglan seams here, an exposed neckline, and great length. And then these cuffs that you can use like this. And I have this one myself, and I cut the cuffs off because I didn't like them. So this one, of course, is on there for you to decide if you want to cut them or not. Anyway, another idea of how to look festive and still be comfortable. Hope you like this segment, and keep on smiling, lovelies.